In this video, we will correct the issues identified in the non-conformance record and the root cause that we logged in the previous video. Open the Corrective Action object by clicking on the plus icon by the Corrective Action title located at the bottom of the Audit Complete page. You should start by attaching the relevant non-conformances and root causes. The corrective action will address the specific issues identified in them. So to start, click on the Choose Non-Conformance Record link. This opens a list of every NCR pertaining to this particular audit. Select one or more that you want added to the corrective action and then click on the Submit button. Then do the same for the root causes. In the Action Required section below, use the calendar to select a target date, which is the date the corrective measures need to be completed by. Enter the action required in the text box. You can attach up to 20 external documents here. We will complete the additional fields below later on. Now record the action required by clicking Submit. So now we have created the corrective action. The associated NCR and RC are listed at the top, and below that the action required, which has been assigned a unique number. The Close button appears as soon as the corrective action has been created. It can be clicked at any time to indicate that the corrective action has been closed, but it should only be clicked when the corrective action process has been completed. We will now use the task notification feature to assign the corrective action to a user in the system. It can also be used to get feedback from users about the CA. The replies can then be copied into any of the sections. Task notifications can be sent at any time, so before recording an action required or afterwards. Click the plus icon and select the user or users to whom you want to send the task notification. I will select user 9 and move it over to the right-hand box. The reminder drop-down list defaults to yes and indicates that user 9 will receive email reminders if they don't respond by the reply required date. Now enter a reply required date by using the calendar feature. You can attach documents here. Now enter the text content of the notification. And then click Submit. You'll note the appearance of a new object titled Corrective Action Posts. This logs all the corrective action notifications and their replies, and is accessible to all users with access to the audit, and not merely the administrator and the user to whom the notification was sent. This concludes the tutorial. Please log out as this user. The next step should come only when the corrective action to resolve the issue has been implemented. So in this case, only once a comprehensive training program has been introduced.